5.200H Chevrolet Avalanche LT Sport Utility Pickup 4 doors 5.14 feet. This vehicle features the following equipment: 4 SPD automatic, 5.8 flex fuel 5.3L, 4WD stability track, anti-lock brake system 4-wheel, keyless entry, air conditioning, aircon rear, power windows, power door locks, cruise control, power steering, tilt wheel, AM/FM stereo, MP3 single disc, backup camera, dual airbags, head curtain airbags, dual power seats, privacy glass, daytime running lights, running boards, hard tonneau cover, towing package, alloy wheels, fog lamps front halogen, door handles color keyed, theft deterrent system passkey 3, defogger rear window electric, headliner cloth, cruise control electronic with set and resume speed, 4-wheel drive, steering power, brakes 4-wheel anti-lock 4-wheel disc,